Wow, what's this? M5 Competition key. And the road. Wow, it looks like Snapper Rocks. Metallic. Snapper Rocks blue. You must take it for a ride. M5 Competition. Wow, crazy. Not exhaust sound. With exhaust sound. Is there a counter? It is. And it's not even. So now everything is Sport Plus. I must take it for a ride. Somebody have warmed it up as well. Okay, let's take it for a ride. The seat is folded down for extra sound. That's great. Let's go. But it's a speed limit of 70 kilometers per hour, so we need to respect that. But maybe we could do a launch control anyhow. Let's try it. And kill the start and stop. Yes. You know what? Why didn't it shift there? I let off the gas maybe. Yes, I did. Wow. Okay, since we maybe found it, we should put it back in. Not cruise control. This is, let's put it on M dynamic mode, so we'll have some safety. And let's just kill this. Where do we kill it? Anyway, okay, let's have it on. It's loud. In theory, you don't even need to shift up to third gear, since it's a 70 kilometers per hour limit here. It's up there. So let's never go below 70. I mean, you could do 170 here, but if you go off here, it's not fun. I've seen many people do it. Wow, third gear is most bangs. I just touching the gas a little bit. Somebody have painted here. I wonder how you do that. Well, I think I know how to do it, but I will not do it when other cars are around. course air conditioning is off. In order to make this a little bit more fun, you could like maybe sometimes just stop and we do a launch, and there you could see how it looks, the rev counter. Let's do a little fast. Saw the yellow? Comes up very fast. It's like when you see the yellow, you really have to shift. And actually, I've killed the heads-up display here. Because I think that's distracting. Enough of smudges on the window. So, okay, here's 50. Let's just push this and take it in completely autonomous driving then. A license saver. So cruise control activated at 50. Autonomous driving is not activated because it needs to be green, the steering wheel. But anyway, I think we have some bikers behind us, so I think we need to maybe teach them a lesson, but we cannot do that because it's speed limits. Now it's 70 again. We're gonna be outrun by bikers. You can take speed more in the corners with a car than a bike, and I'm quite sure that you could take the bikes on the straight as well in this car. It has to be liter bikes in order for a swamp. You don't want to go off there in M5. Yeah, they're not here by chance. They're here because it's a active, fun road. So let's not sink below 70 when we're screwed. Yeah, they're lying down. You can see them in the corners. Okay, watch out for horses. Is it 70? Okay, here's 50. Let's do 50 here. They respect that. That's good. Here we have a really old castle in front of us. That guy is cutting grass. Some part of Swedish society is still working. That's nice to see. Everything else is fucked up. 50. They respect that. Kudos to them. Oh, great tractor. Need to overtake that sucker. Thanks. Perfect. I think if we keep 70 here, the bikes will not get close to us. I'm not sure. Because you don't want to go off here in a bike. Then you're screwed. Or a car. Problem with a bike, it's more a human problems, like broken bones and things like that. But with a car, it's an economy problem if you go off with this car. Yeah, we had fend them off. However, I don't know if they went all out. That's a big question. But let's keep it at our 70 speed here.